Well, thanks for clicking in. We're in the letter N in my alphabet box series. This is a fairly large one, as you can see. It's only going to have 2 drawers. This font is Cooper Black. Again, I stretched it just a little bit widthwise to get a little more drawer in it. This is, again, just some basic construction lumber that I've layered up, and I got a vacuum plate on it. I'm going to cut the outline, and then I'll come in and cut the drawers. We use a number 2 super skip tooth Pegasus blade, and this should be, again, like I said last time, should be fairly quick to cut. I don't know about easy, but it shouldn't be hard, I don't think. So anyway, let me get it to the saw and see if I can get it cut out. Okay, so there's the next letter box. It's the N box. And I used orange because that's the color I had. I just wanted to paint one. I like the way they're painted sometimes, the way they look. And that's what I had on hand. It was easy to get a hold of, so I just decided to use it up on this. And just 2 drawers, but they work very nicely. And if you like that, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, I'm going to continue on with the rest of the alphabet. Try to get a little more imaginative as I go. I've got a lot of things taking up my time right now. It's kind of hard to get into detail on some of this like I'd like to. But anyway, that's the next box in the series, and I'm planning to move forward on it. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.